What is the question? Okay, tell me. Okay, the question is what? Is 4, what do you say? 4 exponent x plus 6 exponent x is equals to what? 9 exponent x. Wow. What are we looking for? Okay, we are finding what? The values of x. So we should solve it. Okay. Well, the way I look at this, somebody may think they got to break the 4, and they can also break the 6, and they break the 9. Well, if you want to go that path, I'm telling you, you're going to have a bone of contention that is going to rock with you. But let's see. I think the best way to solve this is to see is to divide through by 4 exponent x. Well, you may not agree with me, but let's see what will come out with. So if I say that, then this will be 4 exponent x divided by 4 exponent x plus 6 exponent x over 4 exponent x is equals to 9 exponent x over 4 exponent x. This will cancel this. So I'm going to get 1 plus 6. I can write this one like that. X, and I can also write this one 9 over 4 or x. Simply, I can break this one further. I can say 1 plus 3 over 2 exponent x is equals to 3 over 2 exponent, it's a squared exponent x. Right. Is it not looking beautiful? Well, I think I can push the x in again. So this will imply that 1 plus 3 over 2 exponent x is equals to 3 over 2 all x squared. I can use any variables at all to solve this. I can see quadratic in the making. So if I substitute y to be equals to 3 over 2, then 3 over 2 raised to the power exponent x, then I've broken the back of the camel. Okay, and this y is going to be 1 plus y is equals to y squared. Straight on. So this is as quadratic in y. That's quadratic in y. So this implies that y squared minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Then, what's it comparing this to as squared. So in this case, ay squared plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then I can say that a is equal to 1, b is equal to -1, c is equal to -1. Okay? Now, if I use the almighty formula, which is always given as y is equal to negative b plus or minus square roots b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, then I do my substitution, then I can say that y is given as, now we know that b is negative, so this is going to be b, which is 1 plus or minus square root of -1 squared minus 4, 1, -1, all over that, 2, 1. Okay, so y will be equals to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 all over 2. So this is the value of y. Well, I can approximate the value. If I say 5, well, 5, if I say square root of 5, roughly, let me approximate it to be 2.5. Okay. 2.5 will be equal to 2.5. Then y will be equals to 1 plus or minus 2.5 over 2. Okay. So our y will be equals to 3.5 over 2. Okay. Or y is equals to negative 1.5 over 2. If that's the case, bear in mind that we said let y to be equals to 3 over 2. All right? So 3 over 2 exponent x is equals to y. So by substitution, I can say that 3.5 over 2, okay, is equals to 3 over 2 x, or negative 1.5 over 2 is equals to 3 over 2 exponent x. And how do I solve this? Just take log to both sides of the equation. So this is a log of 3.5 over 2 is equals to log of 3 over 2 exponent x. That is 1. So this will be log 3.5 over 2 is equals to x log 3 over 2. Okay, this implies that my x is equals to log 3.5 over 2 divided by log 3 over 2. Okay, so that will give me one answer. Okay, the another answer I'm going to get is going to be log negative 1.5 over 2 plus log 3 over 2. So these are the two answers that we expected to arrive at. When we compute it further, we'll be able to get integers or maybe fraction. So that is how you have to break this equation. I hope it's clear with everybody. This is so simple. I mean, as you can see, what did we do? Yes, we just divided through by 4. Okay. And we arrived at this equation. Okay. This equation over here. This equation. And after that, we substituted. We let y to be equal to 3 over 2 exponent n. Then we ended up having this quadratic equation. We use the almighty quadratic equation. Okay, and this is what we have achieved. Nice. This is quick, easy, and simple. Fantastic. Nice. It looks so beautiful.